That smell, Dominic, do you feel that smell?
No, because I'm cold, my nose is full of shit.
I feel metal, I feel gasoline, and that's the smell of my Rock-On garage. Beautiful Saturday, and it's a day I usually take my gear or my bikes or my protective gear, clean it just to relax. And then today we're gonna go what?
We're gonna go ride with a RC.
RC, because we read the comments, everybody wants to see me finally riding again after a long time with the RC. So we're gonna drift. First, let's go enjoy the garage work. First things first, I need to clean my boots, and they are dirty since the Jordanian trip. Everything is dusty there, it's really dry, so they look like that, so time to clean them. Boots are like new now. It's wrenching time. We need to change the rear brake on the RC. Today update on my RC200 gonna be the brakes. So I'm gonna take the stock caliper down and I'm gonna use a Brembo R version. The difference is it has 4 separate brake calipers that gives me much more power, more aggressive feeling on the rear brake. The effect is it compresses my suspension so I can easily jump from one position to another. And the second thing, which is a little bit more important, is I can save energy in my hand. So because it has more power, I don't need to press brake harder, so it's easier, no arm pump, so I can ride longer. So let's mount this brake now. Brakes are mounted. Now I need to bleed them. How to bleed the brakes I will not show because I already did that. So check how to bleed the brakes in the Rock-On vlog 29. Caliper is mounted, bleeded, and the RC is ready for stunts now. But now I need to pick up an important delivery and then we go to the practice spot. Guys, by the way, I want to sell this Brembo caliper. I don't need it anymore. It's almost brand new, so I'm gonna put it on my online shop. And for all my fellow stunt riders, link in description. The big delivery is finally here. We have been waiting for 5 long months. Now it's here. The boys are already packing it in, and I cannot tell you what it is, but it's a really exciting thing. We're gonna show you in one of the next vlogs. We're gonna pack this in and then we go ride the RC. Good that I have a crash cage. It's still a prototype, but it's working. So
it's a good test today.
not just only practicing kangaroos and drifting, but also testing the crash cage.
Show us what's the crash cage, I don't know.
So crash cage is, as the name says, is protecting the bike when you're crashing. So favorite product that's gonna come out soon. We're still testing a lot because we want to do the best one. Rock and roll, let's go right back. The bike needs a refuel. let's go refill the bike, man. It's feeling good. It's feeling good. I love the RC. I just need more time now. I'm finally back home, so it will be a lot of raw sessions on our social media. That's a small hint. If you want to drift and your tire has too much grip, put a bit more pressure in it, and yeah, then it's easier to drift. And on a small bike and also on the big bike, it doesn't matter.
So let's go for a drift session again.
Drift session with a 3.0 bar. I feel today more as drifting and stoppies with the RC, so I'm gonna do this now. And Dominic, like 2 years ago, we've been jumping quite high on the kangaroos. Now it's like this, like I don't know, but I need to get back to this game, so
Let's give it a try.
let's see what those forks can do. Man, I need to find a company that can tune my front forks. Those are stock, so I need a bit more rebound so I can jump higher. That's not an excuse, it's really I feel better on jumping. So if there's a company that can help us out to tune our front suspension on our RC, give us a message on our email in the description below. Check this, we have a rock and roll Brom, all black. The last trick is, okay, that's my bike. I'm gonna roll a stoppie and turn for 180 degrees and put my rear wheel on this concrete block. Hard trick to do, but I really like obstacles. Enjoy some slow motion brumming. Well, enough for today, right, Dominic?
Yeah,
Right?
right.
You want to feel more?
Of course.
No, it's enough for today, man. I don't feel my hands anymore, so good warm-up session with the RC, and that's just the beginning. So we're gonna do much more RC vlogs in the future, because we saw your messages on Instagram. You told me you want to see some more RC action, so there it is. And yeah, thanks to everybody to translating our vlogs. Again, it's really a big help. And yeah, thanks for subscribing, thanks for sharing our vlogs, and we have fun. See you in the next one. Until then, rock on.
My cousin was your teacher.
Really?
She teaches art.
You're first Canadian in our practice spot, so you
Yeah.
see, the world is small when you start to vlog.
Yeah, I watch your videos on my lunch.